Let's talk about the coronavirus picture in the country today. India is reporting the biggest single-day spike of over 49,000 new cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total tally to over 12.87 lakh cases. We're nearing the 13 lakh mark. There are currently over 4,40,000 active coronavirus cases in the country. 45% of new cases are from southern states. 740 deaths have been registered in the last 24 hours. Deaths have crossed the grim 30,000 mark, with India now being the sixth worst hit nation in terms of deaths. Maharashtra continues to be the worst hit state, while cases have crossed the 50,000 mark in Telangana and West Bengal. More than 8,17,000 people have recovered till now. A silver lining, however, is that the constant improvement in recovery rate continues, that now stands at 63.5%.
It's almost 1.9 lakh cases, and Chennai alone has crossed 90,000 cases till date. Chennai contributed to the maximum number of cases when it comes to the state's share. 1,200 to 1,300 cases recorded every day.
Yes, the Kerala government is thinking, as the number of cases are increasing, about a total lockdown. But today there is an all-party meeting that has earlier been called by the Chief Minister to discuss the COVID situation.
All right. In fact, more than 40% of the cases in the country overall are now being reported from the southern states, essentially. With 6,472 new cases, Tamil Nadu has recorded the highest ever single-day spike. With this, the state's COVID-19 count has crossed the 1.9 lakh mark. In Chennai, 84 personnel at the Raj Bhavan have tested positive for COVID-19 after tests were carried out on 147 people. State Chief Minister has also cancelled the semester examination for all colleges students up to the final year in the wake of surge in cases in the state. All right, let's talk about these states and let's look at Kerala first. In fact, Kerala has witnessed... All right, we look at Andhra Pradesh first. 8,000 cases, which accounts for 16% of the total cases, like we can see. And that's how the picture looks like as far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned. What about the other states? If we can get the graphics up for the other states as well. Tamil Nadu, 6,472 cases, accounting for 13% of the total cases in the country. Karnataka, 5,030 cases, 10% of cases in the entire country. Telangana, 1,567 cases, accounting for 3% of the total number of cases in the country. Kerala, 2% of cases overall in the country. That's what Kerala is accounting for, and 1,078 cases is what Kerala is looking at right now as far